let us discuss the life, works, and written of Rizal. But before that, let us know who is Jose Rizal. So, Dr. Jose Protasio Mercado Rizal E. Alonso Rialonda was born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna. So, he was baptized in a Catholic church in his town on June 22 at 3 days old by the parish priest, Father Rufino Colantes. So, his only godfather was Father Pedro Canasas. Then, his name, Jose, was chosen by his mother, a devotee of Saint Joseph. So, Rizal was born in 1861 amidst of all these political and economic reforms. He was belonged to a local elite family and he was sent to school in the Philippines and was able to study in Europe. Rizal actively participated in the propaganda movement while he was studying in Europe. So he was moved back to the Philippines in 1892 and establishing the La Liga Filipina. So this is the picture of Jose Rizal. Now, let us know who are the parents of Dr. Jose Rizal. So his father is Mr. Francisco Mercado Rizal. Then his mother is Mrs. Teodora Alonso E. Quintos. Now, let us know who is Mr. Francisco. Right, so Mr. Francisco Mercado Rizal was born on Biñan, Laguna on May 11, 1818. So he was studied Latin and philosophy at the College of San Jose in Manila. So he was died in Manila on January 5, 1898 at the age of 80. So Rizal called his father a model of fathers. Now, let us know who is Mrs. Teodora. Teodora Alonso E. Quintos was born in Manila on November 8, 1826. So she studied and educated at the College of Santa Rosa. So he was died in Manila on August 16, 1911 at the age of 85. So she was called a remarkable woman. Now, know the surname of Rizal. So the real surname of the Rizal family was Mercado, which was adopted in 1731 by Domingo Lamco, who was a full-blooded Chinese. So Rizal's family acquired a second surname, which is the Rizal, which was given by a Spanish alcalde mayor of Laguna who was a family friend. Frame of Rizal's family. Saturnina Rizal or Neneng. She is the oldest Rizal children. So she married Manuel T. Hidalgo of Tanawan, Batangas. So next to her is Pasiano Rizal, the older brother and confidant of Rizal. He had two children by his mistress Severina de Sena, a boy and a girl. Next is Narcisa Rizal or Sisa. Her pet name was Sisa and she married Antonio Lopez, the nephew of Father Leoncio Lopez, a school teacher of Morong. Then next to her is Olympia Rizal or Ipia was her pet name. She married Silvestre Ubaldo, a telegraph operator from Manila. So the next one is Lucia Rizal. She married Mariano Herbosa of Calamba, who was a nephew of Father Casanas. Next to her is Maria Rizal or Biang. So she married Daniel Faustino Cruz of Biñan, Laguna. And the next is Jose Rizal or Pepe. He is the greatest Filipino hero and peerless genius. So during his exile in Dapitan, he lived with Josephine Bracken. So next to him is Concepcion Rizal or Concha. So she died of sickness at the age of 3. So her death was Rizal's first sorrow. Next is Josefa Rizal or Panggoy. So she died an old maid at the age of 80. Then next is Trinidad Rizal or Trining. So she died also an old maid in 1951 at the age of 83. Then Soledad Rizal or Choleng. So she married Pantaleon Quintero of Calamba. Let us move on to the work of Rizal. So, Rizal's original writings were written in Spanish. So, what we have now are translation of his original works. So, a man of letters, Rizal is known best for his writings. He writes the novels entitled Noli Me Tangere, a Latin praise of or for Touch Me Not. So, it came out in 1887 and published in Berlin, Germany. So, the second one is The Social Cancer in English Translatic. And the next one is El Filibusterismo, a Spanish term of the subversion, came out in 1887 and published in Ghent, Belgium. So, El Filibusterismo, the reign of the grid, exhibits a dark theme in which it depicts the country's issues and how the protagonist attempts a reform. To summary, these are the works and written of Rizal. Thank you for listening.